The Mac Island is back. After selling out and witnessing around 10 billion dirhams worth of transactions within 10 hours for phase 1, they're coming up with the phase 2. It's all about luxury villas and townhouses. Surrounded by tropical island vibes, private lagoons, and resort style amenities you won't find anywhere else in Dubai. You're not just buying a villa here, you're buying an island lifestyle inspired by places like Bora Bora, Maldives, Seychelles, and more. Just think about it. Where else in Dubai you can live in an area surrounded by gondola style lagoon ride, floating restaurants inside an aqua dome, jungle river trails, wildlife parks, zip lining, private hot springs. In Dubai, there is a high demand for villas and townhouses and not enough inventory. That's why these communities appreciate much faster. We are still in the EOI stage, and this is your chance to get in early. DMA Islands will offer early access before public release.